Hi babes, welcome back. If you're interested in knowing how to use this type of crochet hair to make individual fox locks, then this tutorial is perfect for you. In this video I used two different methods. This is the very first one. I unraveled one end of the crochet hair and proceeded to make it like this. I'm also going to show you an easier way to unravel it to make sure it doesn't tangle and it is not a hassle, because sincerely it can be very annoying to unravel this. You'll see the way I do it. In this video I used two different methods to make this crochet hair. When I started initially, I thought I had access to a latch hook, but along the line I found out that I didn't have any latch hook around, and I decided to use this method. The previous method is more protective in that the hair is going to be more if your client has like really thick hair, the other method is most suitable. But if you don't have access to a latch hook, this one is better. So I just unravel one and braid the hair to an extent to make it easier. Once you braid the hair about 6-7 times, you can take off the wrapping piece and finish the braid just as I just did now, so that it's not going to get any shorter. Then when you are done, you move it down to the base and wrap. Be careful while wrapping so that it doesn't get too tight, because it can be painful, and you can just control how tight you want it to be. From that, it doesn't have to be painful. If you don't want it to be painful, do not wrap too tightly at the base of the hair, so her hair is snug enough but it is not painful. When you get towards the end, you have to like separate the tip better and then wrap completely to make it blending. This is how to unravel it. Before you try to unravel, stretch it a couple of times. It is already going to loosen the lock extension. Just run your hand tightly against that end about 2-3 times before you start to like pull the hair apart up to the length that you want. It is safer to have pulled more than you need than to have too little, because it's just going to annoy you if you have to like get an extra piece of hair to wrap the hair. Because with this style you can just use each individual crochet hair to braid, to wrap, and everything just comes out perfect. So you are going to see the last method. I have it like below her hair, so you're going to see how I did that. And then for the record, the hair I use is Serene Locks by Lush Hair Extension. I'm going to proceed to put like a picture of the packet here, but you can use this technique for every loopless crochet hair extension you want to use to make fox lock. And I know this is helpful because you're not going to need any extra hair to make this hairstyle. You can just use the hair extension that comes in the pack. We used one pack, but we did not finish it just because she wanted her hair really scanty, and this hair is very lightweight, very lightweight. If you check on my channel, you're going to see a couple of tutorials on this particular hair, because a lot of us wore this hair around this period. It is just so convenient, lightweight, easy to style, and it gets finer as it gets older. So I'm going to let you watch from here. You will see the second method very soon, and leave a thumbs up or a comment if you have any concerns, feedback, questions. Enjoy.